Apple just dropped the iPhone 17, and let me tell you, this isn't just another phone. It's smoother, smarter, and brighter than anything they've released before. If you've been holding on to your old iPhone thinking, I'll wait for something big, well, this is it. Today, we're diving into all the exciting new features, how it stacks up against older models, and why people everywhere are buzzing about it. Let's get into it. A new era begins. The iPhone 17 launch has set the tech world on fire. Each year, Apple finds a way to raise the bar, but this time, the leap feels bigger. With its jaw-dropping display, powerhouse cameras, and the ultra-thin iPhone Air, this lineup isn't just a refresh, it's a reimagining of what a phone can be. Apple has positioned the iPhone 17 as more than just another device. It's a symbol of how far mobile technology can go. The lineup feels like Apple is saying to the world, we're not slowing down. From casual users to hardcore Apple loyalists, there's a buzz in the air that only happens when something truly special lands. Features that wow. The first thing you'll notice? The screen. For the first time ever, the base iPhone has a 120Hz ProMotion display, making every swipe buttery smooth. Add record-breaking brightness, and the iPhone 17 practically glows even in direct sunlight. Durability? Covered. The new Ceramic Shield 2 makes the phone tougher than ever. Performance? Apple's A19 Bionic chip delivers insane speed with incredible battery efficiency. And charging is faster too, both wired and wireless. But the real magic is in the details. Apps launch in a blink, multitasking is seamless, and even heavy gaming feels effortless. Streaming movies look cinema quality right in your hand. Every feature feels polished, powerful, and designed to impress. Outshining the past. Compared to the iPhone 16, the iPhone 17 is a clear win. No more 60 Hz on the standard model. You're getting ProMotion smoothness across the lineup. Storage now starts at a roomy 256 gigabytes, double last year's base option. Battery life is longer, charging is faster, and photos are crisper than ever. Upgrading from an older model like the iPhone 15 or even 14, you'll feel like you've jumped ahead several generations. The iPhone 17 is faster, brighter, and more capable in every possible way. Apple didn't just refine the formula, they reinvented it. And the best part? Apple packed in all these improvements, but kept the same starting price as the iPhone 16. That kind of bold value is rare from Apple, making this year's release especially exciting. It's not just a new phone, it's a new deal. The buzz around the world. It's not just tech reviewers singing praises. The people are excited too. Surveys show nearly 70% of iPhone users plan to upgrade this year, which is huge. In markets like China, pre-orders are stronger than last year, and shipping dates for Pro models have already been pushed back due to overwhelming demand. Social media is overflowing with unboxings, early reviews, and people showing off the new Air model. Apple events always get attention, but the iPhone 17 has sparked a whole new level of conversation. It feels like everyone wants to be part of the movement. For many, it's not just about buying a new phone, it's about joining a global moment. Owning the iPhone 17 feels like being part of the future. That emotional connection is exactly why Apple remains unmatched in its influence. High-tech features that feel futuristic. If there's one thing Apple knows how to do, it's blending technology with magic, and the iPhone 17 proves it. Beyond the display, cameras, and chip, Apple has packed in features that feel like they belong in the future. First up, AI-driven enhancements power nearly every part of the phone. From smart photo editing that automatically adjusts lighting and focus, to real-time language translation in FaceTime calls, the iPhone 17 uses machine learning to make everyday tasks seamless. It's not just a phone, it's like carrying an intelligent assistant in your pocket. The iPhone 17 also supports Wi-Fi 7, bringing blazing fast wireless speeds that make streaming, gaming, and downloading almost instant. Pair that with next-gen Bluetooth improvements, and your connections, whether to headphones, smart homes, or cars, are smoother than ever. Another highlight? Battery intelligence. The iPhone 17 learns your usage patterns and optimizes charging, extending battery health for years. It even supports reverse wireless charging, letting you power up your AirPods or Apple Watch right from the back of your phone. And let's not forget the security upgrades. Face ID is faster and more accurate in all lighting conditions, while on-device AI keeps your data safe without sending it to the cloud. Apple has doubled down on privacy, ensuring your information stays yours. Altogether, these high-tech touches make the iPhone 17 feel more like a futuristic companion than just a phone. It's smart, adaptive, and designed to fit into your lifestyle in ways older iPhones simply can't match. Price meets value. Here's the sweet spot. The iPhone 17 starts at $799 in the US, with the Pro at $1,099 and the Pro Max at $1,199. In India, it's expected around 89,900 rupees, and in the Philippines, the base model is officially 57,990 pesos. That means more features, more power, more storage, without the price hike. Apple has made the iPhone 17 its best value flagship in years. In today's economy, that balance of premium and practical is a big deal. For those who need extra space, the 512 gigabytes and even higher storage options are available. But what's remarkable is that the entry-level model is already powerful and spacious enough for most people. Apple has finally made the base model feel like the best choice. Final thoughts. The future in your pocket. The iPhone 17 isn't just an update, it's a transformation. With smoother displays, better cameras, faster charging, futuristic features, and that all-new iPhone Air, Apple has delivered a phone that feels fresh, futuristic, and absolutely worth the hype. It's the kind of device that makes you rethink what a smartphone should do. It's not just about staying connected anymore, it's about elevating your lifestyle, creativity, and productivity. Apple has made the future accessible today. So if you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade, this is your moment. The iPhone 17 is not just another phone, it's the future in your hand. And with excitement levels this high, it's clear Apple has another massive success on its hands. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the iPhone 17, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tech breakdowns. What do you think? Will you be upgrading to the iPhone 17, or are you holding out for the next one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay inspired, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.